Have you ever finished an intense workout or spent hours working outside in the heat only to feel completely drained, sore, and exhausted, even after drinking plenty of water? Many people assume they're simply dehydrated, but staying properly hydrated requires much more than water alone. Your body relies on electrolytes, essential minerals that regulate fluid balance, support healthy muscle contractions, maintain nerve communication, and help produce energy. When electrolyte levels begin to drop, symptoms such as fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, weakness, and low energy often appear. Although many people reach for sports drinks, many commercial products contain added sugars, artificial colors, and unnecessary ingredients. Fortunately, nature offers healthier alternatives. In today's video, we'll explore 7 plants and plant-based foods naturally rich in electrolytes that help support hydration, muscle recovery, and lasting energy. Some may already be growing in your own garden, while others are easy to find at almost any grocery store. Let's begin with one of nature's most refreshing sources of natural hydration. 1. Coconut water. If nature ever created its own sports drink, coconut water would undoubtedly rank among its greatest achievements. For generations, people living in tropical regions have relied on coconut water to replace fluids lost through heat, strenuous work, and physical activity. Long before commercial sports drinks became popular, coconut water was already valued as a refreshing source of natural hydration. It remains one of the best examples of how nature can provide exactly what the body needs. Its effectiveness comes from its impressive balance of natural electrolytes. Coconut water naturally supplies potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium, essential minerals that help maintain hydration, support healthy muscle function, and keep the nervous system operating properly. Among these nutrients, potassium stands out as the most abundant. Potassium plays a critical role in regulating fluid balance, supporting muscle contractions, and allowing nerves to communicate efficiently throughout the body. Every heartbeat, every movement, and every muscle contraction depends on maintaining healthy potassium levels. Whenever you sweat, your body loses both water and these valuable electrolytes. That's why drinking plain water alone isn't always enough after an intense workout or long hours spent in hot weather. Your body needs to replace both fluids and minerals to recover properly. Coconut water naturally provides both. Another major advantage is its simplicity. Compared with many commercial sports drinks, coconut water generally contains fewer calories while avoiding artificial colors, preservatives, and excessive amounts of added sugar. Many people also find it easy on the stomach, making it an excellent option after exercise. Magnesium is another important electrolyte naturally found in coconut water. This mineral plays a vital role in muscle relaxation, energy production, and hundreds of essential biochemical reactions throughout the body. Maintaining healthy magnesium levels helps support normal muscle performance while promoting recovery after physical activity. Coconut water also provides small amounts of calcium, another important electrolyte involved in muscle movement and nerve signaling. Although it isn't a major source of calcium, every contribution helps maintain proper electrolyte balance. Beyond its electrolyte content, coconut water also contains natural antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by exercise and other physical demands. Many people notice that coconut water feels especially refreshing after spending time outdoors in hot weather because it replaces both fluids and essential minerals simultaneously. Whether you enjoy it after exercising, during hot summer days, or simply as a healthier alternative to sugary beverages, coconut water remains one of the finest natural choices for supporting hydration. When it comes to replenishing electrolytes naturally, very few drinks can compete with coconut water. 2. Avocado. When most people think about avocados, healthy fats are usually the very first thing that comes to mind. While that's certainly true, avocados are also one of the richest plant foods when it comes to supplying essential electrolytes that support hydration, muscle function, and recovery. In fact, a single serving of avocado contains even more potassium than many foods commonly associated with this important mineral, including bananas. Potassium is one of the body's most essential electrolytes. It helps regulate fluid balance, supports healthy blood pressure, allows muscles to contract properly, and keeps nerves communicating efficiently throughout the body. When potassium levels become too low, even everyday activities can feel more exhausting. Muscle weakness, cramps, fatigue, and low energy may all be linked to inadequate potassium intake. Avocados provide an outstanding natural source of this vital nutrient. But potassium is only one reason they're considered so nutritious. They also supply magnesium, vitamin K, folate, vitamin E, dietary fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Working together, these nutrients help support overall health while promoting recovery after physical activity. Unlike heavily processed foods that often cause rapid spikes and crashes in energy, Avocados provide slow, steady nourishment that helps maintain consistent energy levels throughout the day. Their magnesium content is especially valuable for physically active people. Magnesium participates in hundreds of biochemical reactions involved in energy production, muscle recovery, nerve function, and healthy sleep. Since many adults fail to consume enough magnesium, foods like avocados make an important contribution to a balanced diet. Potassium and magnesium also work together to support healthy muscle function. Potassium allows muscles to contract efficiently, while magnesium helps them relax afterward, making this combination particularly beneficial following exercise. Avocados are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health, slows digestion, helps stabilize blood sugar, and keeps you feeling satisfied for longer. Another reason avocados have become so popular is their remarkable versatility. They can be sliced onto sandwiches, added to salads, blended into smoothies, served on toast, mixed into grain bowls, or mashed into fresh guacamole. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them easy to include in almost any meal. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts regularly include avocados in their post-workout meals because they provide electrolytes, healthy fats, and a wide variety of nutrients that help support recovery. Their healthy fats also improve the body's ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, while naturally occurring antioxidants help protect cells from everyday oxidative stress. Proper recovery requires much more than replacing lost fluids. Your body also needs nutrients that support muscles, energy production, healthy cells, and overall balance. Avocados provide all of those benefits in one delicious food. Rich in potassium, magnesium, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, avocados remain one of the most nutrient-dense plant foods available. If you're searching for a delicious food that naturally supports hydration, electrolyte balance, muscle recovery, and long-lasting energy, avocados deserve a regular place in your diet. 3. Watermelon. When temperatures rise and your body needs extra hydration, very few foods are as refreshing as watermelon. Composed of more than 90% water, it's one of nature's finest foods for replacing lost fluids while delivering a naturally sweet and refreshing flavor. But watermelon offers far more than hydration alone. It naturally contains important electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that help regulate fluid balance, support healthy muscle function, and keep the nervous system operating efficiently. After a workout, a long day working in the garden, or hours spent in the summer heat, watermelon helps replace both the water and electrolytes lost through sweating. One of its most interesting nutrients is citrulline, a naturally occurring amino acid that has gained considerable attention for its potential role in circulation and exercise recovery. Citrulline helps the body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and may improve blood flow. Better circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to reach working muscles more efficiently, making watermelon a favorite recovery food among athletes and physically active individuals. Watermelon is also naturally rich in lycopene, the antioxidant responsible for its vibrant red color. Lycopene helps protect the body's cells against oxidative stress caused by exercise, environmental exposures, and normal metabolism. In addition, watermelon provides vitamin C, which supports immune function while helping the body produce collagen, an essential protein needed for healthy skin, joints, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. One reason watermelon feels especially satisfying after exercise is its natural combination of water, electrolytes, and carbohydrates. Its natural sugars help restore energy, while the high water content supports hydration, making it much more refreshing than many processed sports drinks. Watermelon is also incredibly versatile. Enjoy it fresh by itself, blend it into smoothies, add it to fruit salads, freeze it into healthy frozen desserts, or combine it with cucumber and fresh mint for an extra refreshing summer snack. Despite its naturally sweet flavor, watermelon remains relatively low in calories while providing an impressive collection of beneficial nutrients. Whether you're cooling off after working outside or recovering from an intense workout, watermelon remains one of nature's most delicious ways to stay hydrated while supporting healthy electrolyte balance and muscle recovery. 4. Oranges. Oranges are best known for their impressive vitamin C content, but they also rank among the best fruits for supporting hydration and maintaining healthy electrolyte levels. Thanks to their high water content and generous supply of potassium, they provide a refreshing and nutritious option after exercise or spending long hours in hot weather. Potassium is one of the body's most essential electrolytes. It plays a key role in regulating fluid balance, supporting healthy muscle function, and allowing nerves to communicate properly. When potassium levels become too low, symptoms such as fatigue, muscle weakness, cramps, and reduced endurance may begin to develop. Oranges naturally help replace both lost fluids and potassium without the added sugars, artificial colors, and unnecessary ingredients commonly found in many commercial sports drinks. Unlike fruit juice, whole oranges also contain dietary fiber. Fiber slows digestion and allows the fruit's natural sugars to be released more gradually into the bloodstream, helping maintain steady energy levels while reducing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Another reason oranges are so highly valued is their outstanding vitamin C content. Vitamin C supports immune function, wound healing, collagen production, and antioxidant protection. Since collagen is essential for maintaining healthy skin, joints, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels, getting enough vitamin C is especially beneficial for physically active people. Oranges also provide flavonoids, natural plant compounds with powerful antioxidant properties that may help support heart health while protecting cells against oxidative stress. Their convenience makes them even more appealing. They require almost no preparation, travel easily, and provide a refreshing snack after sports, outdoor work, or physical activity. That's one reason orange slices have remained a favorite refreshment at sporting events for generations. In addition to potassium, oranges also supply small amounts of magnesium and calcium, adding even more nutritional value. Whether enjoyed fresh, tossed into salads, blended into smoothies, mixed with yogurt, or incorporated into savory recipes, oranges provide a simple and delicious way to stay hydrated while supplying valuable electrolytes, antioxidants, and essential vitamins. 5. Bananas. When people think of electrolyte-rich foods, bananas are usually the very first fruit that comes to mind, and with good reason. They are naturally rich in potassium, inexpensive, easy to find almost anywhere, and remain one of the most popular foods for supporting hydration and post-workout recovery. Potassium performs several essential functions throughout the body. It helps regulate fluid balance, supports healthy muscle contractions, maintains proper nerve signaling, and keeps the heart functioning normally. Because potassium is lost through sweating, replacing it after exercise or prolonged exposure to heat becomes especially important. Bananas make that incredibly simple. They're naturally portable, require no preparation, and can be eaten virtually anywhere, whether you're heading to the gym, hiking a trail, or recovering after an intense workout. But bananas provide much more than potassium alone. They also supply carbohydrates, which serve as the body's primary source of energy. During physical activity, muscles burn stored glycogen for fuel, and those energy reserves need to be replenished afterward. The natural carbohydrates found in bananas help restore those energy stores while supporting recovery. Bananas also contain magnesium, another essential electrolyte involved in muscle function, nerve communication, and energy production. Together, potassium, magnesium, and carbohydrates create an excellent nutritional combination for post-workout recovery. Many athletes enjoy pairing bananas with yogurt, milk, cottage cheese, or nut butter, combining carbohydrates with protein to help repair muscles while replacing lost energy. Another advantage is how easily bananas are digested. After strenuous exercise, when large meals may feel too heavy, bananas provide quick nourishment that's gentle on the stomach. Despite the growing popularity of sports supplements and specialized recovery drinks, bananas remain one of the simplest, most effective recovery foods available. Affordable, convenient, naturally rich in electrolytes, and packed with energy-supporting nutrients, bananas continue to rank among the best foods for maintaining hydration, restoring electrolyte balance, and promoting healthy recovery after physical activity. 6. Cucumbers. At first glance, cucumbers may seem like nothing more than an ordinary salad vegetable, but they are actually one of nature's finest foods for staying hydrated. Made up of approximately 95% water, cucumbers naturally help replace lost fluids, making them especially refreshing after exercise, outdoor activities, or long, hot summer days. Their benefits extend well beyond their water content alone. Cucumbers also provide important electrolytes, including potassium, magnesium, and small amounts of calcium. These essential minerals help regulate fluid balance, support healthy muscle function, and keep the nervous system operating efficiently. Potassium is particularly important because it works alongside sodium to maintain proper hydration inside and outside the body's cells. Whenever electrolytes are lost through sweating, heat exposure, or physical activity, symptoms such as fatigue, muscle weakness, cramps, and low energy can begin to develop. Including naturally hydrating foods like cucumbers in your diet can help restore that balance without relying on sugary sports drinks. Cucumbers also contain valuable antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, which help protect cells from oxidative stress while supporting overall health. One reason cucumbers are especially popular during warm weather is their naturally cooling effect.
Their crisp texture and exceptionally high water content make them incredibly refreshing, particularly after spending time outdoors in the sun. They're also remarkably versatile. Cucumbers can be added to salads, blended into smoothies, infused into drinking water, mixed with yogurt, or simply enjoyed fresh as a healthy snack. Many physically active people also include them in post-workout meals because they provide excellent hydration while adding very few calories. For maximum nutritional value, it's best to eat cucumbers with the peel whenever possible, since the skin contains additional fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Light, refreshing, and easy to digest, cucumbers are an outstanding choice whenever your body needs extra hydration. Although they rarely receive the same attention as sports drinks or electrolyte supplements, cucumbers naturally provide water, minerals, antioxidants, and nutrients that help support recovery while promoting overall health. 7. Beet greens. Many people trim off beet greens and throw them away without realizing they're actually one of the most nutritious parts of the entire beet plant. These leafy tops are packed with electrolytes, essential vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds, often providing even more nutrients than the beetroot itself. Beet greens are especially rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, a powerful combination of electrolytes that supports hydration, muscle function, and recovery. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance. Magnesium promotes muscle relaxation and energy production, while calcium plays an essential role in muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and countless other important functions throughout the body. Working together, these minerals help maintain healthy electrolyte levels while supporting both physical performance and post-exercise recovery. Beet greens are also an exceptional source of vitamins A, C, and K, which contribute to healthy vision, strong bones, immune function, tissue repair, and overall wellness. Another impressive benefit is their natural nitrate content. Like spinach and Swiss chard, beet greens naturally contain dietary nitrates that may help improve circulation by supporting healthy blood flow. Better circulation allows oxygen and nutrients to reach working muscles more efficiently, which may enhance both athletic performance and recovery after exercise. Many people are surprised to discover that beet greens can actually be even more nutrient-dense than the beetroot itself. Instead of throwing them away, they're well worth adding to your meals. They can be lightly sautéed with garlic, stirred into soups, added to stews and stir-fries, blended into smoothies, or cooked just like spinach and other leafy greens. Their mild, earthy flavor pairs beautifully with a wide variety of savory dishes. Beyond their impressive electrolyte and vitamin content, beet greens also provide antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress while supporting long-term health. Although they're frequently overlooked, beet greens deliver an exceptional combination of hydration-supporting minerals, powerful antioxidants, essential vitamins, and nutrients that promote recovery and overall wellness. They're a perfect reminder that some of the healthiest foods in our kitchens are often the ones we overlook the most.